Welcome to my channel. In this week's video, we're going to transform 3 metal risers with decoupage paper and Resell paint. I began by painting the decoupaged area in white so that the paper will pop, and then I started by making a mixture of salt wash, which is a texture additive. I added that to my Resell 1-hour enamel in the color Fauna, and just until it was a cake batter-like consistency, and then I applied that all over the areas that would not have decoupage paper on them. I do this to create a 2-color finish that looks textured and worn, and I'm going to let that dry. While that's drying, I'm going to choose the image from my paper for the top of the riser. I was able to do all 3 risers with less than 1 sheet of the Resell decoupage paper. Here I'm applying that paper with Resell's 1-hour enamel clear coat in matte. I'll smooth that down, and then I will use my tool to make sure that there are no wrinkles. I will seal it with that same 1-hour enamel clear coat in matte, let that dry, and then I will sand off the excess paper. Now the next step is to apply a layer over the entire salt wash layer of a black that I mixed with a little bit of carbon. I'll do this underneath, on the sides, all over the entire riser except where there is decoupage tissue. Once that's dry, I'm going to use my sanding block to sand back the black paint and expose the salt wash layer of Fauna underneath. I'll wipe everything down and make sure there is no dust on the piece, and then I'm going to go ahead and seal the entire project with Resell's 1-hour enamel clear coat in matte again. I did this for all 3 risers using a different section of the paper, and just absolutely love how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this project and will follow me for more tutorials.